Emax 144001. Is that the right number? Anyhow, so brushless conversion. Flysky receiver here. 120 amp ESC, stock battery, metal gears all around, same size, 27T pinion, stock size, but metal gear, main drive, and a new motor, 3650 3900 kV, Emax servo. Yes, what does that say? I think it's 1303. Anyhow, it's just standard. A little bit bigger than 9 gram. I think it's 12 gram. I put the switch here, sticky tape, bound that all up super tight. Barely fits all. Alright, let's get the lid on.